What's poppin'? It's Tim FX. In today's video, I'm going to be going over what is Forex and how do traders make money using Forex. First and foremost, Forex stands for the foreign exchange market. It is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with over $5.5 trillion traded every single day. But simply, Forex is just a place where you exchange one currency for another currency. For example, if I was to travel outside of the country, and I'm at the airport and I go to the little currency exchange kiosk and I exchange my native currency for the foreign currency, I basically just participated in the Forex market. And I'm sure some of you have as well. Now, for those who have never traveled outside of the country, never exchanged your money, and one important thing that you need to know is that when you exchange your money, it is not dollar for dollar, meaning that if I went to Europe with $500 from the US, I'm not going to receive $500 exactly in euros, or I'm not going to receive 500 euros. Instead, I'm going to receive an amount that is based on an exchange rate. Now, an exchange rate is basically the amount that you are going to pay for another currency. For example, if you have an exchange rate that says that 1 euro is equivalent to $1.30, then that means that for every euro, you're going to pay $1.30. So if I went to Europe with $500, I'm going to receive $384. Now, let's say with this same example that I keep my 384 euros and I'm staying inside of Europe. Let's say I stay for like 2 months, and for some odd reason, I don't spend any money. Now, if I was to travel back to the United States, the exchange rate will no longer be the same. It's not going to just be $1.30. So let's say in this example that it went up, it's $1.50 now. Now, if I exchange that same $384 back into US dollars, which is 384 times 1.5, I will receive $547, which is more than the initial amount that I started out with. And you might realize this is probably how traders make money, and it is. We'll buy a currency with the expectation that it will either appreciate or depreciate, go up or down. And if we're right, we'll make profit based on the difference of price.